With winter increasingly unpredictable, a reliable snowblower is essential for staying ahead of heavy snowfall, especially for homeowners on a budget. Thankfully, you don't need to break the bank to get a powerful machine. In this guide, we review the best affordable snowblowers available on Amazon, evaluating motor power, ease of use, clearing capacity, design, and value. Whether you prefer corded or cordless, we've got a snowblower for you. List number: Turbo Dryer Blower for Cars, Hurricane Turbo Fan. While not a traditional snowblower, the Turbo Dryer Blower for Cars is an incredibly versatile tool with snow-clearing potential for light dustings. Featuring a 1600G instant thrust, 64mm electric motor, and 4-speed adjustment, this cordless turbofan can quickly blow off loose snow from driveways, decks, and vehicles. It's ultra-lightweight and rechargeable, making it a great option for quick cleanup. List number: Vecilo 18 15-amp electric snow shovel. The Vecilo 18 electric snow shovel is a compact and powerful solution for urban and suburban snow removal. Powered by a robust 15-amp motor, it cuts through snow up to 10 inches deep and clears an 18-inch wide path. The 180-degree adjustable chute allows you to direct snow discharge efficiently. Its corded design means unlimited runtime, as long as you have an extension cord, and it's light enough for anyone to maneuver. List number: Voltask 24V Cordless Snow Shovel, 13-inch 4A. Voltask's 24V Cordless Snow Shovel provides the convenience of battery power without sacrificing performance. With a 13-inch clearing width and powerful 4A battery, this tool is great for smaller driveways, walkways, and stairs. It's extremely easy to operate, requiring no cords or gas. The ergonomic handle and compact size make it ideal for seniors or anyone tired of shoveling. List number: Snowjoe 15-amp corded electric snowblower, 22-inch. Snowjoe is a trusted name in budget-friendly snow equipment, and this 15-amp corded model proves why. With a generous 22-inch clearing width and an 18-inch intake height, this snowblower can move up to 25 tons of snow per hour. The adjustable chute rotates 180 degrees for easy snow direction, and its compact design makes it maneuverable in tight spaces. While it's electric, list number 5, Westinghouse W-Snow 20 Corded Snowblower, 20-inch, 1800W. The Westinghouse W-Snow 20 is a heavy-duty, corded snowblower that offers big power for a budget-friendly price. With an 1800-watt motor and 20-inch clearing width, it tackles snowbanks and icy patches with ease. The steel auger provides durable performance, while dual LED lights make it ideal for early morning or late evening use. The 180-degree directional chute helps you manage where the snow lands.